Welcome back to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Blogger. Blogger is a blog publishing service that allows multi-user blogs with time-stamped entries. The blogs are hosted by Google and generally accessed from a subdomain of blogspot.com. If you have a valid Gmail account, you can open a blog. A user can have up to 100 blogs per account. In this video, you will learn how to create a blog using your Gmail account, how to create pages in a blog, how to post and publish contents in a blog. For recording this video, I used Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student 2016, both are licensed versions, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. I have opened my Gmail account. Go to these apps. You have to click this blogger. Otherwise, you have to go to www.blogspot.com and from there you can also sign in. It's loading. Create your blog or sign in, both are one and the same. I'm clicking this create your blog. It will ask you to log in. I'm logging with this account. Be careful. Log in with the account in which you want to open the blog. Okay, now title. I will have online courses for KV teachers. Okay, I am clicking next. This address, we should be very careful. Sometimes it may not be available also. Okay, I will online course. Checking address is available. This blog is available. Still this address is available. Okay, now I will come clicking next. Okay, blogger profile, display name, I will type my name, MC Srivasan. Okay, now it is finishing. It is processing now. This actually has online course for KV teachers. It has come now. Now, if you want to make the blog without wasting your time, this is the way to do it. In a MS Word file, whatever you want to put it in that, you just keep it ready. Now my plan is I am going to have one post on online course on designing e-resources. For that I am giving one introduction. Then after that I want to give the outline of the course in the form of a PDF file. I prepared a PDF file and I have uploaded it in my drive, and this is the link for that. And I have to give them some interaction and submission how I am going to do. For that instructions, I have made one table. This table also I will paste over there. Then all the contents I have made it in the form of a video. That links also I am going to give it in the blog. Then assessment will be done through the quizzes, or practice can be done through the quizzes. Keep this table ready so that you are going to paste it quickly. Okay. Now come back to the first page. Now come back to this. You click this post. Okay. Now there are no posts. Now click this plus sign. Immediately one page will open. Now here you can paste whatever you want it over here. For that bold is there, underline is there. Then you can have a link and you can insert a image and you can insert a video and so on. So okay. Now I will do it very quickly. Now I will paste up to this. I will not waste much time. Let me paste it. You play around then how it can be done. I have done it. Okay, now I want to give some introduction. This I will give introduction to the course. I am copying it and I am pasting it over here. Okay, now you know that this can be bolded, and whatever you want you can bold it, you can underline it. Okay, now you can change its color, whatever you want you can make. Okay, then after that please be careful. One thing you should be very careful. Now I am going to give the link so that anybody is having the link, they can click and see this file. But be careful, don't copy the link as it is. Now it will not open in the blog. What you have to do, don't do it. Okay, go to this link, create, then link with web address. Now you paste it over there and then okay. Now the link will work over here. Is it okay now? Okay. And now webinars and assignments. Okay, this I want to tell them that how this webinars will be conducted and all. This I am having a table. I am just showing you. Copy the whole table and paste it over here. Okay, now these links will work. Just when you click this, the link is getting highlighted. When you just click it, it is getting highlighted. Okay, it is working now. Okay, well, now come down. Let us come down. Okay, now this once again I want to give all the links in the form of videos. Okay, link to videos, copying it. Want to give any instruction you can give, and then below that you can paste it. Okay, I will just take this whole total table. Okay, little bit lengthy because I am having 31 videos. It is left, you can give PPTs, you can give whatever you have done it. Okay, anyway, it is not coming properly, no problem. Okay, now I'm going down. Again, I'm going for this link to pieces. Very quickly I will do. You play around and then check out that how it can be done. So on. Okay. Now I have done it. Okay, now when you just click it, remember that suppose if this link is not working properly, you have to copy it. That you play around, please do it. Copy it, cut it, and then go to this link and create URL, and you have to paste that. You have to have some kind of okay, now you see when I click it, the link is getting highlighted. Suppose if I click it, link is not getting highlighted. You should have some patience because the link will not work over here as you are doing it in Word and all. Therefore you have to. Okay, now if you want to open the link in the new window, you have to click it. Okay, it will open in the new window for the students. Okay, this also I think it is not working. You can see the color of it. Suppose if it is showing black, the meaning is that link will not work in the Blogger. Okay, you should have some patience. Now you see color is changing. I'm doing it. Okay, I will not do for all. I'm just telling you that how you have to do it. Open in a new window. I'm clicking and then copying that URL. Okay. Okay. This also is not working. Be careful. I want to draw your attention. Simply copying the link may not work over here. Be careful with that. Okay. That you can see its color also. If it is in black color, the meaning is it is not a link. It is just a text. Okay. It will not consider it as a link. Anybody clicking it, they may not get that. Okay. Now I think all are there. This is the only left out. You play around and then find out that what are not there. I have given you the clue also how to check it out. It will be in black color and it will not be looks like a link. Here as you see, most of them are links and some of them are not having it. I think this one. And just okay, that may be the reason where whenever we are creating it, you would have done it, not done it properly. That's all. That is the meaning of it. Okay, I'm clicking it. Okay, now when I come back to this, I think this link is also not working. I will go to this link and create it and then copy it and then ask it to open in a new link and then okay. I think most of the links are working now. I think when I click it, it's getting highlighted. When I click it, getting highlighted. Then you can check out now. Okay. Now after this, please press this publish, and it will be published. Okay. Now publishing the post. Now the post is being published over here now, and you can have a theme. You can have a layout. Please play around that how to check it in any fashion. You can have. I think left to you. Anything you can select. I'm selecting this. Okay, and then I'm applying it, got it, something like that. Okay, now let us see our blog now. This is the blog now. Your blog will look like this. Okay, now you see whatever I have done it has come over here. The children will be seeing it in this fashion. Okay, you can give a kind of introduction in the form of a video, anything you can give. Okay, now how to share it with the students. Now you see when you click it, automatically the YouTube will open, where the child can see the YouTube. Suppose there are certain quiz also you have made. I think when you just click it, it will open in a new window and so on. Okay, you know it. There is no need to tell you that you are. Okay, anyway. Okay, now how to give it to the children? Very simple. In that you just click it. Online course srinivasan.blog.com. This is the address. If you give the address, they can open it. Okay, now I will close it. Okay, now I am coming back to this post once again. Already one I have done the post. I think this you can once again revert to the draft. Is it okay? And you can anyway you can apply labels and you can publish whatever you want. You can do it. Okay, you can open it also. Okay, that's the pages. If you just open it, it will open. Okay, and now you know that post. If you want to add one more post, you have to simply click it over. Is it okay? You have to just simply click it over. Okay, and now what you have to do now? Create a blog for your Google account and post the contents, and then check out what is it web address. Thank you.